Got a coding problem? The clock is ticking. Let's break it down and solve it step by step, all in under a minute. First, understand the problem. Read the question carefully. Identify inputs, outputs, and constants. For example, let's find the sum of an array of numbers. First, plan a quick solution. Choose an approach to solve the problem, like brute force, optimize, or built-in method. Now for summing an array, we can use a loop or an built-in method. Here is a quick JavaScript solution for the problem. Add on the following code and run the code to see the output 15 in your console. Try edge case like an empty array or negative numbers, and optimize if needed. Use interactive loops if recursion is too slow. And that's how you crack coding problem fast. Read, plan, code, test, repeat. The more you practice, the faster you get. Keep coding, keep winning.